Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome back to Speak English with Raksha. Today's video is not just an English lesson, it is a life lesson. You are going to learn 50 daily English sentences that you can use at home, but not like a boring list. You will learn them through a story, emotions, real-life situations, and a little bit of fun. By the end of this video, I want you to feel, yes, I can use these sentences today itself. Let's begin with my student and friend, Lohi.
Good morning, Raksha. I don't feel like getting out of bed today. Even my English feels sleepy.
That's okay, Lohi. Every skill wakes up slowly. Let's wake up your English together. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
This is a simple sentence you can use with anyone at home. I'm feeling fresh today.
I'm feeling fresh today.
Notice how the sentence expresses your mood? Let me brush my teeth first.
Let me brush my teeth first.
This is perfect when someone calls me while I'm busy. What's for breakfast today?
What's for breakfast today?
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry.
Great emotion. English sounds natural when you add feeling.
Raksha, learning English in the kitchen feels interesting.
Because language lives inside daily life. Can you pass me the salt?
Can you pass me the salt?
The food smells delicious.
The food smells delicious. My mother will love this sentence.
I made this myself.
I made this myself.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
I'm full now.
I'm full now. Lohi, earlier I was scared of making mistakes in English.
Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every confident speaker was once a beginner. I need to clean my room.
I need to clean my room.
Where did I keep my phone?
Where did I keep my phone? I say this sentence every day.
Please don't disturb me.
Please don't disturb me.
I'll finish this work soon.
I'll finish this work soon.
I need a short break.
I need a short break. Raksha, speaking these sentences makes me feel confident.
Confidence grows when practice becomes a habit. Let's have some tea.
Let's have some tea.
How was your day?
How was your day?
I am feeling a bit tired.
I am feeling a bit tired.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Let's watch something together.
Let's watch something together.
It has been a long day, Raksha. I feel peaceful, but tired.
Nighttime is perfect for calm English practice. These sentences are simple but powerful. I'm going to take a shower.
I'm going to take a shower.
You can say this before leaving the room. Very natural. Don't forget to lock the door.
Don't forget to lock the door. My father always reminds me of this.
I'll set the alarm.
I'll set the alarm.
This shows responsibility and planning. I'm feeling sleepy.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
End your day with kindness. Words create mood.
Excited. Raksha, I used 3 English sentences with my family this morning.
That's wonderful. Real usage builds real confidence.
My mother smiled when I said, "The food smells delicious." That made my day.
See? Language connects hearts. Please turn off the fan.
Please turn off the fan.
It's too hot today.
It's too hot today. Even English feels hot today.
Then speak faster. Maybe the breeze will come. I need some fresh air.
I need some fresh air.
Let me open the window.
Let me open the window.
The weather looks nice today.
The weather looks nice today.
Weather sentences are great for small talk.
Holding clothes? Raksha, folding clothes feels like solving a puzzle.
Then solve it in English. I'll wash the dishes.
I'll wash the dishes.
Can you fold the clothes?
Can you fold the clothes?
Let's keep the house clean.
Let's keep the house clean. If my room hears this sentence, it may run away.
Then chase it with confidence. Where should I keep this?
Where should I keep this?
This place looks messy.
This place looks messy. Frustrated. Raksha, my phone controls my life sometimes.
Technology is useful, but balance is important. I'm scrolling through my phone.
I'm scrolling through my phone.
The internet is slow today.
The internet is slow today. Slow internet feels like slow life.
Let me charge my phone.
Let me charge my phone.
I forgot my password.
I forgot my password.
Even our brains need updates sometimes. This app is very useful.
This app is very useful. Raksha, today I spoke more with my family instead of scrolling.
Proud. That's beautiful. Language should build relationships. Dinner will be ready soon.
Dinner will be ready soon.
Let's sit and talk.
Let's sit and talk.
I really enjoyed today.
I really enjoyed today.
Time flies so fast.
Time flies so fast.
I'm grateful for this moment.
I'm grateful for this moment. Raksha, earlier I thought English was only for exams or jobs. Now I feel it is for life.
Exactly. Language is not pressure, it is power. Let me prepare for tomorrow.
Let me prepare for tomorrow.
I need to wake up early.
I need to wake up early.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't stay up too late.
Tomorrow will be a better day.
Tomorrow will be a better day.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself.
And I'm proud of you too, Lohi. Dear learners, today you didn't just learn 50 sentences. You learned courage. You learned confidence. You learned how to bring English into your daily life. Speak these sentences every day. Use them with your family. Smile when you make mistakes. Grow when you try again. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Speak English with Raksha. Write in the comments, I will speak English confidently.
I will speak English confidently.
See you in the next lesson. Until then, keep speaking, keep growing.